Morning, y'all. So today's video was supposed to be of Disneyland Day 5, where we got to meet all the princesses and just had an amazing, great time. Well, so I use Final Cut Pro for all of our video editing in the process of editing the Disney video. I was almost done with the video, all the way down to adding the very last picture and the last color grades, almost completely done. Well, I drug a picture from the hard drive because I use SSD hard drive, this exact hard drive, which is a Crucial X9 Pro 4 terabyte. I was dragging the file from this hard drive into my timeline to edit for the final Disneyland video. I got the little spinning ball. I waited. Well, about 4 or 5 minutes goes by, still spinning, So I force stopped Final Cut Pro. My whole computer just quit, froze, restarted it, had to hold down the power button. I use a MacBook Pro. Once the computer came back up, my hard drive wasn't there. Never showed back up, it wouldn't mount. So I did everything. I went to Disk Utility and it showed the hard drive attached to the computer, but I couldn't locate it to pull any files off of it. I tried First Aid, it didn't work. I tried going into the terminal windows, trying to manually mount it and everything. I spent 2 or 3 hours panicking because every single bit of footage from 2025 is on this drive. Our Colorado Springs video, where we went to the zoo and Santa's workshop, those would be coming out later. Those videos, all gone. Red River, where we went to church family camp, all gone. Everything. We lost every bit of footage on this drive. And I am panicking, trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Because I didn't get to finish the Disneyland video. I didn't get to finish the Grand Canyon. None of that. So I was panicking, looking around, Google, everywhere, YouTube, all of it. And I come across an app called Disk Drill. At this point, it was a free download. I figured I'll try it, see what it is. Well, Disk Drill is a program that will go in and find any bit of data that was on your drive to try and repair it. So it says free. It's not free, but it's free to download and see if it can find your files. So I figured, what the heck? I downloaded it, ran Disk Drill on this drive, and it found over 9 terabytes worth of data on this 4 terabyte drive. So Disk Drill worked. It found all of our videos, all of our files, everything, even files that I had deleted from previous videos that were already done and completed. So I was like, awesome, it found my files. Well, for me to recover them, I had to actually buy Disk Drill. It was $79.99 plus I paid an extra, I think it was $16.99 or $19.99 for unlimited updates. So I have the program, ran the recovery, recovered every single one of our videos, thank God, and everything, we were able to recover it. Now, this drive still has all the corrupted data. I still don't know why it wouldn't mount, what happened, what went wrong. But I was able to find the Disneyland Day 5 video that I had almost finished. And even in Final Cut Pro, the timeline was still on this drive and it recovered it. So, good news. The Disneyland 5 video will be coming out shortly. Probably next week. Let me back up a little bit. Running Disk Drill on this drive took almost 8 hours because there's a whole lot of data on there. So I ran it overnight. The next morning, bought it. To do the recovery was, again, almost another 8 hours. So it takes a long time, but I had to go buy another 4 terabyte SD drive. This is the X10, not the Pro, just the X10. And run from this drive to this drive do the recovery, and it recovered everything. So it takes some time, costs some money, but I got all my memories back. All of our videos. We've got Colorado Springs Zoo coming up in the future because we were able to save that. We got the Santa's Workshop. We even made Jellystone one last trip before school started. So be sure, like and subscribe, follow along, because all those videos, thank God, we found them, they're safe, and I made backups this time. So now, if we have a crash, I've got everything, and we won't lose everything again. I will post a link to Disc Drill. Now, I'm not sponsored by Disc Drill or anything else. So, everybody, stay safe, and we'll see you.